Well, we were posting, we're doing videos, we're doing all that. We're pushing content out there, but we didn't really have a strategy. And we knew we had to improve that. So that was probably the biggest thing that we learned from this. Not just push stuff out there, but have some objective and have some formula that's going to help you get where you're trying to get to. So just creating a lot of content without any sort of structure is not terribly helpful. No, there wasn't any. It was just about the timing and getting the dates right, because what I liked about it was that it was based on organic marketing and having structure with organic marketing. You don't want to be a victim and leave your business up to the fate of others. So that was really the appeal and why I jumped on. When I saw Stev's videos about this is what it's going to be about, you're going to get better at this, and here's the structure, well, it's kind of a no-brainer. So that's why we jumped on. I chose to attend because I'm going to be successful in my business, and that means that I've got to do everything I can, and I have to understand that I don't know everything and I've got to continue to grow. I'm a Chinese medicine practitioner, acupuncturist, so you never know everything. You're always on a journey to get more information and more knowledge, and you've got to be humble about that. So if you're not where you're trying to get to, you've got to have people to help you get there, and that's what I saw the opportunity here. So after the workshop, I guess I'm now a lot clearer about having some direction with the content that I'm creating and thinking about that before I actually get in front of the camera. You have to have that end in mind so you can create something that's going to actually get you to where you're trying to get to. Otherwise, you're kind of just posting stuff and putting it out there and hoping and praying that it takes off. But if there's no strategy, you're going to be at sea drifting a bit. So that's the benefit of this, is that it's given me that clarity and it's given me the confidence and having the script to follow to try and get the results for my business. What I liked the most about this was working with other people actually and seeing the very different niches and different types of businesses that are all having the one common objective about working to get better at their craft, to help themselves and improve their life. What I got out of this a bit more was about the accountability and the follow-up. That's what I like. I've done a lot of different training and a lot of different workshop type environments, and you do get left in limbo a bit. So I guess the results are going to come in 3 to 6 months. That's really when you're going to know whether this is paying off or not. So I like the fact that Sev talked about this and that he wants you to be successful, not just come here, do the workshop, pay the money and off you go. That's not what it's about. And so I love that. I thought it was cool. Yeah, I definitely would. If you are interested in growing your business and you want to learn how to do it yourself and you want to be proactive, then there's no reason not to do this. You've got to learn socials. I mean, I'm a Chinese medicine practitioner, for God's sake. We're not strong in this field at all. No one in natural medicine is really. So learning from people who are way above you is really important if you want to grow your business. So you could be in any field. We have people here in accountants, we had marketing people, we had startup companies. There's a lot of different variety, but getting good at actually filming and having some objective to work towards is important if you want to grow your business.